Morning, everybody. Today I'm taking the old little Pinto out on a mini road trip. In a couple of weeks I'm going to be headed towards the Bonneville Salt Flats for a longer road trip, and this one's just going to be like a one-dayer. I want to check my mileage, just make sure everything's okay. I've did an oil change, did all kinds of other stuff the other day, got everything all ready to go, greased it, you know, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to do a little test today, and then so get ready for our big road trip. I'm not going to film a lot of stuff along the highway, though, in case, well, if I see something interesting, I will. But otherwise, you know, I'll probably just wait till I get closer to it until there's, like, you know, cool stuff popping up. I don't want to bore anybody just doing, you know, one of them high-speed films down the stupid road like a lot of the traveling people do. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get going, and we'll just continue on as we find cool stuff to do. Okay, fellas, there's our destination up ahead up there. You can see that, you know, the mountains sticking out. That's where we're going. So we're probably a half an hour out of Weed, California, so we're going to stop there for a little bit, and then we'll head up to the mountains. So we'll just keep going. Okay, folks, here we are at Mount Shasta Vista Point. I thought I'd just stop here, this little place, take a break. There's absolutely nobody here. It's pretty nice. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this in the video, but you can see how hazy it is. That's all smoke. Half the state of California is on fire again, so, you know, I don't know. Here's just some of the stuff they talk about. The Indians that have all this stuff, and they, you know, all the legends of Shasta Mountain. About the aliens, the ghosts, all that kind of stuff. Oh. Morning. Okay, the other thing I forgot to tell you guys is that when I left, I forgot to show you, you know, the car I was using. This is my '76 Ford Pinto. I rescued several years ago and restored it, and I'm going to be taking it on a little bit longer road trip pretty soon, so I've been you know, just testing it out. But this is what we're driving today. So, well, anyways, let's go ahead and get back on the road and get going. All right, guys. Hey, we are back, almost home. We didn't quite make it all the way to our destination today. Wasn't car trouble or anything, but we got into almost to the mountain, got to Shasta City and Mount Shasta, and everything just turned to shit. And I mean it. It was the worst just mess of traffic, tore up freaking roads, people, assholes. You wouldn't believe it. I couldn't, if I never in my life ever have to go back to California for anything, it'll be too soon. It's just a nightmare down there. The roads are completely just crapped over. Construction everywhere. Signs that, you know, 45-mile-an-hour speed limits. These guys in these semis are doing 70 down these roads. There's freaking blown out semi tires all over the place. There's barrels laying out in the roads and shit, and these people are just driving like assholes. They're yelling and flipping me off and screaming because I'm only going like 50, you know. Guys out on the highway, signs up, if you're towing vehicles, speed limit's 55. I'm going 60 down the road, and they're pulling up behind me, flashing their lights, flipping me off. You know, when I got to Shasta City and saw how bad it was, I turned around, got back on the road, and came home. Screw all that. I'll never go back down there again. What a horrendous trip. Good thing was, car worked fine. Oil pressure stayed at about 55 pounds all the way. Temperature gauge was at stayed just under 180 the whole time, and the volt meter just ran 14 volts, you know, all the time the car was running. So that was the win. When I get back to the gas station by my house, I'm going to fill the car up again and then see how many miles I got on it. And yeah, I'm just gonna, I got another 45 minutes to get home, and then get some gas and get some cold snacks, and I'm just gonna go sit on my deck in the shade and drink cold snacks the rest of the day, because, well, that's all that I can do. So I'll see you in a little bit at the gas station. Okay guys, basically I'm home. I just filled up with gas again, and it looks like I got right around 29 miles to the gallon. So that's like awesome. So was my trick successful? As a shakedown, you know, mini road trip, I have to say yes, because I was concerned about the car and not the destination, really. I wanted to just get the car out on the highway and run it for some miles, and you know, and just see what the heck how it performed. The oil pressure, well, I think I already said that, stayed up over 50. The temperature never reached 200, even when I was in California driving around in the city there trying to, you know, get out of there, and the voltmeter stayed on 14 the whole time. So car-wise, yes, it was a success. Overwhelming. Very happy with the car. As for destination on the road trip, no, it wasn't a success. I got to, you know, Shasta City, and it just, like I said, it just went, yeah, I'll never go back there again, you know. But anyways, let's just go ahead and end the video here. It's, you know, like I said, I'm home. And so let's just, like always, go ahead and please subscribe, like, and share my videos. It'll help my channel to grow more and stuff like that. And I'll just see you on the next video. And thanks for watching, folks.